Next function is matrix multiplication. Now if we're going to multiply two matrices, there are some rules that we have to follow. The first is the number of columns in the first matrix must be equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. And what you're going to find out is matrix multiplication, A times B does not equal B times A. We'll end up with two very different results. Now once we've determined the order that we're going to multiply, then the elements in that results matrix are going to be attained by doing what I call a product sum. In other words, we're going to be multiplying a row by a column. So we'll multiply two elements together, multiply a couple more elements together, and then we will add those results. So let's see if we can explain how this would work. So I want to multiply matrix A by matrix B. So I'm going to take the first row times the first column. 1 times 1 plus 4 times negative 1 plus 5 times 3. When I do that much, I'll get 12. Then I'm going to take the first row times the second column. 1 times 5, 4 times 4, 5 times 2 for a total of 31. Continuing on, I go to row 2 in the first matrix and back to column 1 in the second matrix. 8 times 1, 3 times negative 1, 2 times 3 for 11. Finally, second row, second column. 8 times 5, 3 times 4, 2 times 2 for 56. So those four answers are four elements in my new matrix. Notice my matrix is a 2 by 2 matrix because there were 2 rows in A and there are 2 columns in B. Here's how that looks like that same operation performed inside Excel. Once again, I first pre-named my A and my B matrix. Notice the name of the command used in Excel is mmult for matrix multiplication. Then in parentheses, I give it the name or the cell addresses for my individual matrix. Hit Control-Shift-Enter and I get my results. If I switch the order, so I multiply B times A, B has 3 rows and A has 3 columns. And so I get a 3 by 3 matrix as opposed to a 2 by 2. But the process is still the same.